What's going on, guys? So in this video, I'm gonna go ahead and try to launch a dropshipping business within the next 24 hours and document the entire process. That means I'm gonna show you how I find the product, how I build the store, and then how I go ahead and promote the product to see the end result. And I'm gonna make it very realistic. I'm gonna show you the exact numbers. I'm gonna show you whether I lose money or make money. I'm gonna show you the exact breakdown at the end. So go ahead and keep watching this value-packed video. So the first step of this challenge is going to be going out there and finding a winning product, which I've done already by using a tool called AdSpy. So in my previous video, I was using that tool to show you guys how I find my winning products, and I actually came across this product right here that you see on the screen that people can buy for their houses, put it outside. It's kind of funny and entertaining. You know, all the ads that I've come across have thousands of likes, thousands of comments. So this really validates that the product is really working well. So I'm gonna go ahead and use that product for this challenge. All right, guys, so now that we've found the product that we wanna go ahead and test, the next thing is going to be going out there and building a highly converting dropshipping store. So I'm gonna go jump in my computer, create that store, and show you the end result right after. So let's get into it. With that being said, I went ahead and signed up for a Shopify store, downloaded an app called Jump Pages, which is an app that's actually gonna help me create a really converting dropshipping store, and then got into work. Halfway through, I realized that if I really want to make this work, I'm gonna need the help of my graphics designer to have some content in my dropshipping store to make it look amazing. So I went ahead and gave him a call. Hey Mark, how's it going?
I'm good. How about you?
Good, awesome. So I'm gonna need some help creating some graphics for the store that I mentioned about earlier. So I'll send you the list through Skype. And if you can get that to me over soon, that'd be awesome, so that I can get this knocked out and be able to launch today.
All right, no problem.
Sounds good?
Yep, sounds good.
Awesome.
Just over, right?
Yeah, awesome. I'll talk to you soon then, Mark. Thank you.
All right, no problem.
Alright guys, so after the past hours of working on the store, I actually finished the store and it turned out pretty well. So I'm gonna jump on my computer and show you exactly what it looks like. So if you go to the site, I took the one product store approach. Given the fact that, you know, there isn't a whole lot of other products I can sell with this, I took the one product approach. So this is what it turned out to be on desktop. Pretty clean looking site. And if you look at it on the mobile version, it also looks very clean, mobile optimized, and ready to go. So the only thing left right now is going ahead and creating a quick logo and finding a domain for this store, which is probably gonna take us a bit of time because I always struggle, and I'm sure a lot of people struggle when trying to come up with a store name. But anyways, I'm gonna hop in and finish that task real quick. After doing some thinking, I finally came up with a solid store name and decided to call the store nastygnomes.com. So went ahead, purchased the domain, integrated to the store, and then went on canva.com, created a very simple logo, added it, and now we're ready to go. All right guys, so in terms of marketing this store, I'm gonna take two different approaches. The first one is going to be going through Instagram influencer marketing, and the second one is going to be Facebook advertising. So I'm gonna go ahead and set up the Facebook ads real quick, and then I'm gonna go ahead and contact as many influencers as possible, given the fact that we only have 24 hours to get this done, and now we probably only have 12 hours left. So I want to make sure that we get this product up and running, and Facebook is going to be the quickest way, as influencers sometimes take forever to get back to you. So with that being said, I'm going to go jump in and then create those Facebook ads. After going ahead and creating a Facebook page for this specific store, now I'm ready to finally go ahead and launch my Facebook ads. For my Facebook ad setup, I created a conversion campaign with a goal of having 20 ad sets per campaign at $5 a day. So it's gonna end up being around $100 a day set for this campaign. And for each of the ad sets, I'm gonna have 3 ads, which all of them are gonna be different images. I'm not gonna use any videos for this product just because it doesn't need a whole lot of explanation. And the images will do the selling well enough for us that we don't even have to worry about creating a video ad. For the targeting of this campaign, I decided to take it very broad, given the fact that this product is a very massable product without needing a very specific demographics. After doing some research and kind of understanding who my main demographics of this product is, I also tailored the ad copy towards that, making it a bit more fun and entertaining as well. Once I'm done setting up my Facebook ads, I went ahead and messaged as many influencers as possible so that we can hopefully get a post up before it's too late. So it's been a couple hours since I went ahead and launched the Facebook ads and also went ahead and contacted as many influencers as possible, but we still haven't heard anything back from the influencers that I contacted. And we also got bad news in terms of the Facebook ads that I just launched. So 2 of the 3 creatives got rejected. I kind of saw that coming given the fact that the noms were actually flicking people off, and a lot of people got away with running ads like that, so I wanted to give it a try. But right now it's time to go ahead and fix that and get everything going. To fix the problem of the Facebook rejection, I went ahead and created 2 new ads with 2 different creatives from our existing product selection and went ahead and launched it. All right guys, so results are in, and I know you've been waiting for this, and right now it's 12 o'clock. It's been around 24 hours-ish since I launched the first ad. So right now I'm gonna go inside of the store and show you exactly how much we were able to make. So yesterday we were able to make 1 sale for $75, and today we're able to make another one for $49.94. So what I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna jump on my computer and show you the breakdown of how much I spent on ads, the product cost and everything, and show you exactly how much money I was able to make or lose. So let's go ahead and jump in. All right guys, so I just jumped in my Facebook ad account just so that I can show you exactly how the ads performed. So yesterday, as you can see, we got 1 sale and we spent $51. And if you click through it, the ad set that actually got the sale is the garden gnome. The cost per purchase was $2 and that person bought 5 of them. So I had a bundle deal where I was selling a 5-pack for $75. So that's why you saw a $75 order. But as you can see, the ROAS on this is 29.4, which is insane. So that's 1 winning ad set right there. And as you can see today, if you come back to today, we also got 1 more sale, but it looks like it didn't get tracked by Facebook. As you can see, it has the initiate checkout add to cart, but did not track the purchase. And I'm guessing the ad set that got the sale was this one, because it's the one that has the initiate checkout. Yeah, the landscape design. So overall, from yesterday and today, we spent $90.05 and we got 2 purchases. Okay, so now let's get to the real question. How much money did I end up making, or how much money did I end up losing? Well, there's only one way to find out. So in total, we were able to make $124.94 in sales. And in terms of expenses, the first expense is gonna be the cost of goods. We sold a total number of 7 products, and the total amount for all those 7 products is gonna be $41.09, including shipping. And in terms of advertising, we spent $90.05. We spent $11.99 on domain, and we spent $2.90 on payment processor. So that brings our expense to $146.03. So let's do the total. So we got $124.94 in sales with our expense of $146.03. So that leaves us with a negative $21.09 in return.
Oh my God. I am never gonna financially recover from this.
All right guys, so with all jokes aside, I personally think this product has potential given the fact that it's only been 24 hours and we already got 2 sales from ad sets that are super profitable and are bringing crazy high average order values. So the next step will be cutting down the ad sets that are not doing so well and scaling the ones that are doing pretty well, and also going out there and promoting with a bunch of influencer pages. Obviously, we're not able to do that given the fact that we only had a very limited amount of time. So those will be the next steps for you to take, and also optimizing your creative would really help you get better results. All right guys, so I hope you got some value out of this video and now have a realistic idea of what it would look like to get started with Shopify dropshipping. And all I ask from you, if you got some value, is to go ahead and hit that thumbs up. If you can get this video to 500 likes, I'll go ahead and make a follow-up video of how far I can take this store. So go ahead, do your part, give this video a thumbs up, and I will make that happen. So without further ado, go ahead and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.